Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Today is just a little life update, I guess you'd say. Not too many projects going on, just a couple actually. Actually, something big today. Why am I running around with no shirt on? Well, we'll get to that. Maybe I'm getting a pool installed. Let's see, maybe. So today is Wednesday. Friday, we're having a 36-hour blackout. No water, no power, 36 hours. From Friday morning at 6:30 a.m. to Saturday evening at, I believe, 6:30 p.m. What the hell? That's long. And I don't have solar, don't have a generator. Even if I had a generator, because of the war going on, all the gas stations are closed. There's no gas, there's no diesel. If you do find a place that's open, it's like $8 a gallon for gasoline. Freaking ridiculous. So let's do a little checkup on what's going on. You guys have seen the series, right? Hopefully, where we got all the wall painted. We did all the landscaping and we even planted grass. Well, having a little issue with the grass because of the heat. We went with that Carabao grass and it is just so hard to keep moist. I know you guys are gonna say, well, why don't you put straw down? Well, can't find straw. That would be my suggestion, would be straw or that rice hull, carbonated rice hull to keep in the moisture. But I'm not gonna argue with the wife. She don't want it, so I'll just let her keep watering the grass. We got a well. Hopefully it don't run out. So we'll see what happens. You can see, I mean, it's starting to spread and it's green in most spots. But some of the spots, when the sun hits it, man, it just dries it up. I got my sister-in-law up here helping out, and they're doing some landscaping. Look how straight those are. Nice and straight, Mary. Straight. Nice and straight. Good job. Yeah, the grass is growing slowly. I have not painted this yet because I wanted to wait at least 7 days before I paint. And then, like I said, next month, we'll probably be doing this walkway here. We did get these huge flower pots. Check these out. How much you think those are? I'll tell you what, they're solid concrete and they're handmade, and they were 500 pesos, so about $9. Man, really? You think in the US you could get those for $9? Highly doubt it. But yeah, $9. Got two equally spaced there. Got, I think we got 6 of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5. No, 6. There's one over there. It's just not painted yet. So we got all this extra paint, so they're painting that the cocoa brown. Oh, did that break again? I've been having an issue with this spigot down here. I don't have one of those welding things. You know, you're supposed to weld this white pipe. Did it break again, Mary? It broke? It came off? What the hell? So check this out. My wife and I are making this little imitation pond. And I think I'm gonna paint this blue to make it look like water. So we poured that cement today. It's lower than the other spots, and I roughed the edges there so it's not perfectly straight. And this will be a little fake pond. What do you guys think of that? Pretty cool, huh? Also, Oh, so these ones, these pots here, they were only, I think, $2.50 for the top and the bottom. Not quite as big as the other ones, but about half the size. But those are nice. And there's my glasses I've been looking for. Forgot about those. Also, all them big stones I stuck down here, and I removed that plastic. Just doing some cleanup, doing some things. Been putting a lot of fill in here. Check this out. I finally got the chickens out, and I put them up a fence, fenced in area. So every morning they come out here and hang out. It's always shady back here because of this huge mango tree. So, you guys want to see the pool? Is that where all this fill's coming from? I bet, huh? I bet all that fill is coming from them digging the pool. Well, let's go check on that. You guys keep asking me about a pool. Well, here it is. Here's my pool. What do you think of that? My brother will be jealous. It's 3 meters by 1.5 meters. Yeah, I've already been in there. That's why I got the swimsuit on. It is refreshing, I tell you that. Make sure the water's still running. My only fear is running out of water in this well. No. Never had an issue, so hopefully we don't. Wife is doing some cleaning. You know, when you plant grass like this, you know, when we got that real sandy soil, it created so much dust. So we're still cleaning. You can see like my couch here, look how much dust is on there. So I need to wash all this off. That's why it's kind of a mess around here right now, but it's because we're doing some cleaning. Got my pressure washer out. But yeah, so let's get in that pool. Did you bring your bathing suit? No. Because we're going swimming. I tell you guys, this here is the life. Laying in my pool in the Philippines. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. All right, guys. Well, that was just a little update for you guys. No major projects going on right now. People keep asking me what's the next project. Well, I'd like to start working on the pump house and turning that into my man cave / work center. Maybe get some benches in there. Really like to have a vise, and I think I'll put some shelves in there and clean it up, paint the walls. So got to get all that done, and just painting some minor things around here. Main thing's been this grass, just watering this grass like 4 hours a day, trying to keep this moist and keep it growing. But all right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is just a little life update. Until next time, peace.